Bibigay lahat sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y totoo.
Itatago ng kanilang yapak.
Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, parang wala na kami challenge.
Sagad sa Tagalog yung pagkasikat namin dito. I think the people of the world need us na.
Ano ba plano yun? Siguro Hollywood na.
Kung saan talaga yung nasusukat na kung anong talent mo.
Magkasama, magkakaroon na.
Well, why don't you make the first step? Yung palang plano nyo. Alam niyo naman tayo mga artista, ito ang dapat natin tatandaan. Ang tanging responsibilidad ng isang artista sa kanyang kasikatan ay ang huwag malaos.
Anong malaos? Pag ganito ka-critical na usapan, di pwede di humingi ng second opinion.
Sana naman. Hoy! Asa? Ha? Tagumpay! Talaga? Kaya mo. So, magkano po? 500? Huwag ka pa kayo check? Kano mo? Credit card mo na. Hindi, credit card na. Sinawa mo kayo sa kakaskas na sa gilagid. Hanggang saan yung power niyo nagagaling? Sa gilagid? Sa mata!
Ngayon, it's confirmed, tawirin ang dagat. Panahon na para lalong sumikat. Up one level. Tapos na raw sa local. It's time to go global.
Sige, kids. Doon kayo, namin naman dumi.
Target Hollywood. Game plan, sumali sa American Idol. Maraming nagtaas ng kilay. Pero bago ang lahat, may mga importanteng papeles na kailangan muna daw nilang ayusin.
Birth certificate, pang NSO, pero pwede namin gamitin sa Amerika. Hindi naman mahuli dun yun eh. Hindi naman dito eh.
Oo, wala namang MLB sa Amerika eh. Ano naman
Kaya sagot ka namin. Pag may pulis lumapit dito, sagot ka namin. Kami attorney mo, mag-advise. Magkano? Kapal mo din, yung mga kaya. Mahal naman. Tawad tayo. Para presong artistang kaibigan.
Ay, bakit sabi mo?
Ay bakit? 250, salbong tayo sa gitna. Hindi na, isang dosen.
Kung tutuusin, minsan may talino rin ang dalawa. Ngayon, panahon na para mas itodo ang kapal ng muka. Lalapit sila sa pwedeng mag-produce ng success story nila.
Excuse me. Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. I think I'm Ariel with the capital A.
Yes. Tracy.
Hi, Tracy. Hi.
Okay. Hi, Ma'am Tracy. Ariel.
Elaine.
I think you're very privileged to have an appointment with us.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, ma'am, our motto now is time is gold and our time is so expensive. This is our presentation.
May VCD pa ba? VHS pa ba tayo?
Floor? So, pakuha ka nga ng sa bodega, ng VHS player.
Tingnan mo kung may umaandar pa doon.
Well, actually, ma'am, sa totoo lang, bihira yung mga comedian na hindi J-Los. So, I think medyo first class kami. Excuse me, if you don't mind, kasi kung makipag-usap kami, yung boss na kagad, are you the boss here or something?
She's the boss. Yes.
You're the live producer?
Yes.
And Ma'am Tracy, you handle one.
I'm just a manager here.
So where's the president? Mr. Nedloso Nabrugar, Mr. Joey Abacan.
Ms. Elaine Lozano, Ms. Tracy Garcia, ladies and gentlemen of GMA Films, good morning.
It's okay, I can remain sitting. You don't need to stand up. It's okay. Okay.
First and foremost, we come in peace. Peace be with you. You have seen our journey in show business from just being an extra to becoming a star.
Anong show?
Forget that. We're stars now.
It's history.
Yeah, it's history. I was just, I'm just trying to introduce our history.
Mabilis ang lahat.
Sige.
Hindi pa kami.
Okay, it's time for us to level up, be recognized, and represent the Filipino race in the land where all dreams are made real. In the land of America, particularly in Hollywood.
Hollywood movie?
It's a reality.
I would think of it as an expedition,
Yeah.
as a documentary,
So you want us to spend for your trip, tapos pasusundan namin kayo para gumawa kami ng pelikula.
Parang ang documentary.
Yeah, something like that.
First reality movie in the Philippines.
If we make it there, at least part 2 kayo.
Ang mga Norlas magkano naman ang iniisip mo, Ellen?
Siguro mga ano lang yan. Mga 20 million lang yan.
Ayan, ano yan?
Ano lang yan? Hindi naman cash yun. Staggered naman.
Can you excuse us for a while?
Maybe it's it's okay.
Ano mga sinasaling ng nila oras natin? Mukhang nakagaya.
Actually, ang dami sa akin.
Parang gugustuhan tayo. Parang sino ang gugustuhan tayo. Kasi parang yung present.
Bigyan lang natin sila ng maliit na budget. Bahala na. Tapos tingnan natin kung makapagigil sila.
Maganda.
Sige, so, pag-usapan namin ni Ellie kung anong budget yung kailangan. Tapos, tingnan natin kung feasible.
I mean to say, tuloy po tayo.
Parang interesting naman yung budget.
Yeah, I knew it.
May tamang spelling ang swerte. Sa isang iglap, may pelikula ng dalawa. May 1 million peso budget. Lilipad ng libre pa Amerika. Simula ng swerte para sa dalawa.
GMA Films is experimenting in a reality movie with 2 unknown guys, Ariel and Maverick. The writers Annette Gozon of Vergara, GMA Films president, give them this much trust. What the...
It will be a new kind of movie kasi hindi pa nagagawa ko sa Philippines. They bring their own brand of comedy. So, I think it will be refreshing to watch this type of movie.
Ano to, unverified to pero nahuli nung silang nagtakas ng mulawing costume sa GMA. Ay, ano kayang kalokohan ang gagawin ng dalawang to sa Amerika?
For Maverick and Ariel, it is obvious that your friendship is here today, and it is also most possible that it's coupled to more. So, what would you learn to develop friendship together?
Ano sa Tagalog is it? Ito pa rin yan. Kapoy kanyang down, kapoy
Bibigay lahat sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y totoo.